Yo. I can be your superhero, baby. Let me say that. Like, yo, like, I just recorded this song earlier today. I ain't really mixed it or nothing. I just got like a couple compressors on it, like a SSLG channel, just for the video purposes. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna play part of the song. I'm gonna play part of the song with it, and then I'm gonna play the song without it. So on this one I have it here. So I'm just gonna play it real quick. So this is what we got.
Just somebody that you used to, that like they use you, and abuse you, and confuse you. And you don't have to deal with all that bullshit every day. You ain't gotta say.
Alright, so I'm finna turn them off so you can hear what it sounds like.
He just somebody that you used to, that like they use you, and abuse you, and confuse you. And you don't have to deal with all that bullshit every day. You ain't gotta say a word, girl, it's written all over your face. I can be your superhero, baby, let me say today.
Alright, that's trash. So I'm finna pull up the AutoTune EFX 3. And this is what it looks like when you pull it up. So, alright, first we're gonna play with it.
He just somebody that you used to, that like they use you.
Alright, to set it, like it said normal, the key C major, and turn the effect all the way up. This is where you can humanize this. You can switch through the patterns right here. Keep it hard. If you want it to be soft, you hit soft. If you want it to just run with it, like you just choose this and let it run with it. You can choose the pattern type, whatever. I always sync it to the host, but so I got.
He just somebody that you used to, that like they use you, and abuse you, and confuse you. And you don't have.
Alright, I'm playing with it off.
He just somebody that you used to, that like they use you, and abuse you.
One more time with it on.
He just somebody that you used to, that like they use you, and abuse you, and confuse you. And you don't have to deal with all that bullshit every day. You ain't gotta say a word, girl, it's written all over your face.
And on this one, I'm gonna use the waves tone just to show you what it would be like. So let's go.
And you don't have to deal with all that bullshit every day. You ain't gotta say a word, girl, it's written all over your face. I can be your superhero, baby, let me abuse you. And you don't have to deal with all that bullshit every day. You ain't gotta say a word, girl, it's written all over your face. I can be your abuse you. And you don't have to deal with all that bullshit every day. You ain't gotta say a word, girl, it's written all over your face. I can be your superhero, baby, let me.
Alright, so I put the AutoTune plugin on, and here we go. Let's check it out. And let's play it.
Confuse you. And you don't have to deal with all that bullshit every day. You ain't gotta say a word, girl, it's written all over your face. I can be your superhero, baby, let me say today. Come on, take my hand and let me take the pain away. Cause your nigga here lame, oh. We ain't the same, no. One night with me and I can change your life, oh. I can change your life, oh. Yeah, I can change your life. Why you telling me that you don't really love him?
So really, when it comes down to it, it's like it's really not a big difference between the plugins. It's just whichever one you're comfortable with using. To be honest, I like both. So only difference is for me is that the entire plugin, the AutoTune EFX 3, has dehumanized, and it lets you pick how hard, how soft you want it to go, and you can adjust the retune speed a lot faster. And which this is the same thing. The correction speed is just like the retune speed. Also, you got the speed of it over here. But then you can change the vibrato and vibrato, like side by side view. So you got the speed, the note transition, the vibrato, the correction, and you can switch between the ranges, the scales, You can group the octaves, all this correction, or whatever. You turn it off, turn it on. Alright, so over here we got the tracking normal or choosy, and like it picks what notes it wants to choose. You switch between the voice type here, just like you can switch here through the range. You change the keys here, scales right here. Alright, see, but this one has more scales for it versus this. So, and then here you got the humanize, and then you can sync to the host for the tempo of the song. Like, you switch through between those, and then you got the patterns that it follows here. So to me, it's really not a big deal because both of them sound good. You just gotta know how to really finesse it. If you know what I'm saying? Cause like, unless you know the key to the song. Like, the key is knowing the key of the song, but sometimes the vocals and the key of the song really don't line up. But as long as it sounds good, it sounds good.
Abuse you and confuse you, and you don't have to deal with all that bullshit every day. You ain't gotta say a word, girl, it's written all over your face. I can be your superhero, baby, let me say today. Come on, take my hand and let me take the pain away, cause your nigga here lame, oh.
But like, I'm curious though, like, which one sounds better though? Like, I don't know. Let's see. Let's try it out. Let's see.
He just somebody that you used to. They like to use you and abuse you and confuse you. And you don't have to deal with all that bullshit every day. You ain't gotta say a word, girl, it's written all over your face. I can be your. He just somebody that you used to. They like to use you and abuse you and confuse you. And you don't have to deal with all that bullshit every day. You ain't gotta say a word, girl, it's written all over your face. I can be. He just somebody. You don't have to deal with all that bullshit every day. You ain't gotta say a word, girl, it's written all over your face. I can be your superhero, baby, let me say today.
I don't know. Like, it all depends, like,
and abuse you and confuse you. And you don't have to deal with all that bullshit every day. You ain't gotta say a word, girl, it's written all over your face. I can be your superhero, baby, and abuse you. And you don't have to deal with all that bullshit every day. You ain't gotta say a word, girl, it's written all over your face. I can be your superhero, baby, let me say today.
but yeah, that's just part 2, you know what I'm saying? So, like, the Waves tune versus the AutoTune EFX 3, it's really not a big difference. It's just your preference on which one you can afford. Because I'm pretty sure the Waves, like, they always have a sale on their plugins. So, the Waves tune real time is probably on sale right now for $69 versus buying the Antares AutoTune plugin for, I think it's like $125, $129, something like that. So it depends on which one you want to use, because these are the cheap alternative routes to using the AutoTune. Comment and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. So, you know what I'm saying? Shit. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And after you subscribe, share the video. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. You feel me? Ah.